everyone, a couple new cars this week. First up is this Subaru Legacy. This is a Group A rally car. Solid colors, no livery because it's a presentation car, I guess. This is a Legacy RS. This would be early 90s, like 90 to 94-ish. I don't think anyone else really makes the Subaru Legacy, this first generation in diecast. This is sealed resin though. This is Kyosho, but it's Otto for Kyosho. I have a few of these. Pretty neat piece. You don't have open mesh, unfortunately. Really nice wheels. I forget if these are OZs, maybe. Does it say? I can't make it out. But yeah, nice wheels, nice brakes. Pretty decent interior detail. I like the fabric seat belts. It's a nice touch. This would have, I think an EJ20 is the engine code. 2-liter Boxer 4 turbo, around 300-ish horsepower in rally spec, maybe 350. Car number 114 of only 300. Very, very small run. Very interesting that they did the under skid plate in silver here. That's nice detail you typically don't see with resin. Pretty nice piece. Very happy with it. Retail is kind of expensive. It's usually a couple $100 or more on eBay. I did a buy it now of $100. At that price, I'm not mad at it. Box, not your typical white Otto box. It's black. That's how you know it's a Kyosho exclusive. So that's that. Up next, another resin car, unfortunately, but this is the newest NSX. This is the Type S, which just came out for late 22. This is kind of the send-off for this generation NSX. This is by Top Speed. You know, this generation NSX wasn't really a loved car. It's not really my favorite. I love the first gen cars. They were manual transmissions and very light. This is a hybrid twin turbo V6, about 600 horsepower, automatic only. Just has a very different mission statement. And I don't think we embraced it or loved it. I think they only make 600 or 400 of these Type S cars for the year. I think they're all sold out. And they're also about 200 grand, which, I don't know, the new Corvette E-Ray, similar in the fact that it's a hybrid and whatnot, is faster and costs almost half as much. So, I don't know. I try not to be too much of a GM fanboy because that's who pays the bills, but this Acura doesn't really do it for me too much, but it's a good model. Pretty detailed wheels and tires, brakes, interior. Again, I do appreciate the fabric seat belts. This is currently on sale at Replicars. I think retail's about $159, and it's $89 right now. At that price, I'm not mad at it. Just your basic black Top Speed box. So I've been buying lots of Top Speeds on sale. I bought a couple more this week. Replicars has some good sales, so if that's your thing, check them out. That's it for this week. Hopefully I get some opening diecast up in here for next week. Everyone like and subscribe, and have a good one.